Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Satao Learning. Today we are going to look at addition by grouping in tens and ones. So sometimes you can be given a number that when you add the two of them, they give us a number more than 10. So let's look at an example. Let's say we have 9 plus 7 equals. So the first thing we do is we can draw some balls under 9. How many balls will we draw? We'll draw 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then under 7, what do we draw? We draw 7 balls, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So once we count them, when they get to 10, we make them a bundle. So we can start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We make those a bundle. And then we write 10 here, plus, and then how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So that tells us that 9 plus 7 is the same as 10 plus 6. And we know that 10 plus 6 equals to 16. So 9 plus 7 equals to 16. Let's look at another example. We can have 6. Let me use another one. We can have 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 equals. So under 6 we draw 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then under 8 we draw 8 balls, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, once we get to 10, it becomes a bundle. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we make that a bundle. And we write 10 here, plus what remains? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 plus 4 is equal to, we know that 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So therefore we know that 6 plus 8 equals to 14. So that's how we can use grouping into tens and ones to add two numbers. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.